Pump until the black swan arrives. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 61 cents now. Wow, the price action is absolutely just insanity as we speak, guys. Bitcoin above 37k, right? Dumped because of Binance news, then pumped back up again, guys. The volatility is going crazy, right? Let us prepare. Now, something insane is something crazy, something out of this world is occurring in December. What is, you may ask? Well, XRP ETP, exchange traded product to be released December 2023. Wait, what? So, DeFi Technologies Inc. announces upcoming launch of Valor's Inc., Ripple's XRP ETP, and other corporate updates. And basically, the introduction of Ripple XRP ETPs by it's going to be significant, a significant expansion of our product offerings. So, the ETP will allow investors to gain exposure to XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple ecosystem, through banks or brokers, meeting the growing demand for diverse digital asset investments in European markets. Wow, guys, right? This is interesting. Ripple XRP is a key player in the digital currency space. Wow, it's being expanded, huh? Now, this is physically backed by XRP, which means they must seed the fund and hold the assets, guys, right? They are literally incoming. That's insanity. What are the chances, guys? Interesting, isn't that? Right? ATC Group Physical XRP. Looking to buy XRP through your regular securities broker or bank? ETC Group makes it possible, guys. Right? It's 100% physically backed. And giving you seamless and pure exposure to the performance of the XRP token, guys. So this just means XRP is going to pump, guys, right? Because they have to buy XRP off of the market, the open market, and then what does that do to the price? Moves it up, right? I think Grayscale, remember Grayscale's Trust, they had one, but they removed it because of the SEC was attacking Ripple, right? So it's fascinating, guys. 21 shares Ripple XRP ETP now allows exposure to the asset without directly holding it, right, or owning. The underlying asset is kept in cold storage as it's not traded in public markets, right? Here's 21 shares as well, as we can see. Fascinating, guys, right? They're all coming into play, it seems as. Now, V13 tweeted this out, guys. Okay, what does this mean? There is no one who can intervene. The big people want to buy it all. Wow, right? So the SEC, we see an ETF for XRP, right? Coin. And then we see all these other institutions, guys, right? Maybe that wants in and they want it all, right? Not only for XRP, but I'm guessing with these other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum as well, guys, right? And it pushes the price where? Up. So this is what the Riddler V13 posted today, right? Article with source image. I'll have it in the link down below if you guys would like to investigate further. Now comes who? Former New York Stock Exchange president, quote, money will flood into the industry with a Bitcoin ETF. It's just easy to buy, right? Bitcoin is a great invention. It is a store of value. Wow. Now they're coming out of the woodwork, guys, right? What happened? They took over Binance. And look what just happened today. All this today. Justin, SEC commissioner, says there's no reason for us to stand in the way of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Can't make this stuff up, right? Now, Ripple should be bigger than Bitcoin, though. If you know who this lady is, you should listen, guys. Listen to when she speaks.
I think Ripple will be number one. You know, it'll be bigger than Bitcoin. It'll be number one.
Okay.
I've got no doubt in my mind about that. People don't seem to understand if the banks use Ripple, the high net worth clients are going to use Ripple, the retail banks are going to use, the retail people are going to use Ripple, the fund managers are going to use Ripple, the money managers, foreign currency providers. You know, Ripple will be number one.
Oh, okay.
You know,
wow.
Bitcoin is not Bitcoin is old technology. It's 2008 technology. It can only process 7 transactions if you're lucky, you know, within a couple of minutes or so, if you're lucky.
Not to mention they're coming after Bitcoin's energy consumption, guys. Literally, right? The code. It's funny how the Ripple team keeps hinting towards the future, but nobody seems to see it. Not funny advice, though.
That's when things are going well. When they've got the miner issue, God help us. You know, they bang on about Ripple being centralized. The technology is not centralized. The company is. But you know what? I've got news for them. So what if it is centralized? It's not. It's not, though, because it is decentralized technology, exactly. Distributed ledger and open source. Bitcoin is centralized because you've only got 4 major miners that control that. And when that was happening, you know, Bitcoin prices went to $50. You go and buy a coffee for $3, and it's going to cost you $50 to get a Bitcoin processed by the miners who validate it.
Another thing, centralization is a good thing as well, because that just means they could control the price easier, right, than before.
And the thing is, you're lucky if it's going to be processed in 48 hours to 60 hours.
Exactly.
But it's still not viable. It's old technology. It's just that it's really well known and it's a poster child. Ethereum's got the same issue. They use the same miners.
Exactly.
Ethereum's got a lot of problems at the moment. Heaps of problems. You know,
yeah.
Come on, guys, right? So Ripple should be bigger than Bitcoin. Perhaps one day, guys, right? I still have that belief, but perhaps one day. Maybe during the utility era, so to speak. Now, guys, we're the fun part of XRP and the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. So, what do we have here? We already know why. From you today, XRP case, SEC announces private meeting, investors await Ripple lawsuit settlements. Whoa, what's going on here, guys? Right, Thursday, November 30th, and then 11/30/23, which is November 30th, 2023. Wait, what? Posted so many months ago, guys. Wait a minute. No chance. Wow, the 30th is on a Thursday as well, which from Bearable Guy 123 many years back. I freaking love Thursdays. Who's ready for some fun, guys? There's no way, right? What are the chances if this were to occur, guys? So this is where the speculation comes from, guys. Wow, another closed meeting from the SEC at November 30th, guys. On November 30th, because so we got the Sunshine Act meeting, right? November 30th, and I mean, this meeting has been taking place for I don't know how long, guys, forever, right? For years. And usually during the meeting, they talk about the subject matter of the closed meeting will consist of the following topics: settlement, right? Settlement. A lot of things, guys, right? So, I don't know, maybe. Now, this same number would tie in with what? 3/11/11/3. Now, you know why that's so fascinating, guys? Check this out, right? And again, watch out for possibly November 30th. But you know why that's so fascinating, guys? Because look at this: 023 and 21 from Mr. Pool a year or so ago, right? October 23rd to November 21st, we see this. Now, what just happened on November 21st, guys? You got it. Patterns. Binance, the controlled. They went after Binance, guys, right? And CZ pleading guilty and whatnot. So we see Binance logo, guys, right? Twitter, X, and XRP, X right there. This is the Freemason logo as well, right? You guys can see right here. So again, it was controlled from the beginning of time, guys, right? That's the funny part. It was controlled from the beginning of time, but people couldn't see it. Oh, and not to mention, guys, N21 is what? November 21st when this occurred. 2 + 1 is 3. 1, 1, 3. Don't we see insanity? Wow. And if you thought it wasn't a ritual, move to 3:30. Okay, so what happened? Watch live at 3 p.m. ET. Justice Department and partners to announce significant cryptocurrency enforcement actions. Justice, right from the DOJ. Then they moved it to 3:30, guys. 33, 3, 3, and 3. November 21st, 3, 1, 1. What? is that? I mean, the Riddlers keep winning, guys, because I don't know how this is even a possibility. What is the statistical probability, guys? If you're down in a Lone Star state, you best stop down Austin. As we can see from Grateful Dead, from Big Short a couple days ago, in the company of twins, a Lone Star holds sway. Interesting, isn't that? Now, the fountain for today's video comes from BabaClicks. T attacked at the Canada-USA border, guys. Whoa. Car exploded. Finally, the war has begun, right? And if you check this out, breaking possible T attack at the border, right? So it's a possibility. Again, I have a feeling a black swan, an actual black swan, something horrific, something very sinister could be on the horizon, and we're going to talk about in the next video on how it may tie in with the charts, the stock market, and all these things, guys. Crypto market, all these things. Now, financial advice, let's be prepared for the end. My name is Sophie Amazingness. See ya.